Okay, boys and girls, in your packet, you should have two papers like this. One that just has words and one that has the inside of a pumpkin. It says, I can label a pumpkin. Now, big people, Miss Barb messed up. She'll do it now. She'll do it again. I mess up a lot. All you need is one set of these words. So you can cut down that line. And you can just toss this one. All right. Now, boys and girls, you're going to cut across the lines to cut out the words. Remembering to put your thumb in the top and your fingers in the bottom. You're going to cut the words apart. Okay. Now we have these words: flesh, pulp, stem, skin, seeds, and leaves. Okay. What you have to think is where the arrow is pointing and what word you would call that. Now, I'm going to show you this one. There's a little arrow that's pointing just kind of in a space there. And that's the word that we need. The word we need for that is pulp. Now listen to that word, pulp. Pulp starts with our letter of the week P, but it also ends with our letter of the week P. Can you hear it in both places? Pulp. So we're looking for a word that starts with our letter P and ends with our letter P. And it's pulp. So you're going to take a little bit of glue and put right on that space, and then you will put the pulp word right there. Okay. Down here we have a space that's just pointing to this kind of middle space right there. It's between the pulp and the skin, and we call that part the flesh. Now listen to that word, When we talked about fire trucks and firemen, we learned that letter that makes the sound. So it's the F, you're right, somebody is saying it, I think. Okay, so we're going to find the one that has the F. And here's that letter F. And we're going to put it right there because that part of the pumpkin is called the flesh. Now I'm going to let you figure out where the stem is, where the skin is, where the seeds are, and where the leaves are. And then you will have labeled all the parts of your pumpkin.